Brigit direct deposit changes usually require updating your paycheck information with your employer or payroll provider, because your employer controls where your paycheck is sent. By the end, you'll know how to switch direct deposit for Brigit, what information to update, and what to check if your new deposit does not appear. The first step is checking your Brigit account information. Open the Brigit app and review the account details connected to your deposits. Make sure the information you are using matches the account you want your paycheck sent to. Your paycheck deposit is controlled by your employer's payroll system. Changing information inside Brigit alone may not redirect your paycheck if your employer still has your previous account details saved. To switch your direct deposit, contact your employer's payroll department or open your company's payroll portal. Find the direct deposit settings and replace the old payment information with your updated account details. Enter the information carefully before submitting the change. A small mistake in account details can cause your paycheck to be delayed or sent to the wrong account. After your employer confirms the update, monitor your next paycheck. Direct deposit changes may require processing time through your payroll system, so the new deposit may not appear immediately. If your direct deposit is not showing in Brigit, check 3 areas. First, confirm your employer completed the payroll update. Second, verify that the account information entered was correct. Third, open the Brigit app and check for any notifications or messages related to your account. Avoid removing old account information before your new deposit is confirmed. Keeping track of the transition helps you know where your paycheck is being sent during the switch. If you need to fix a Brigit direct deposit issue, follow the basic process. Review your Brigit account details, update your employer payroll information, and confirm that your next paycheck reaches the correct account. The main points are simple. First, direct deposit changes happen through your employer or payroll provider. Second, accurate account information helps prevent delays. Third, checking your first deposit after the update confirms the switch worked. Your next step is to open Brigit, review your account details, and update your direct deposit information through your employer's payroll system. If this guide helped you fix your issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.